Cause and effect. In cause and effect क्वेश्चन दो स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन होती हैं. ये स्टेटमेंट्स एक दूसरे से लिंक भी हो सकती हैं बाय कॉज एंड इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है. These statements may be cause of the same effect or effect of the same cause. One statement may be the cause, other statement may be the effect, or vice versa. It must be noted कि ये जो questions हैं that these statements they may be causes of different effects or effect of the different causes. So हर possibility possible है. Candidates ने क्या करना है? They must generate a scenario of relations in his mind to solve these questions. जो इनका aim होता है that is to test the ability of a candidate to relate to the real world problems. ये जो relationships हैं of the statements, they can be scientific, economic, applied field, historical, current matter or natural phenomenon. Cause and effect का जो question है वो use करता है एक technique to help you determine all possible causes of a problem. It is possible कि जो cause है that may have more than one effect, but we should constrain ourselves with what is provided. So हमें strictly जो दिया हुआ है उसी के according अपना आंसर solve करना है. अगर किसी cause के ज़्यादा effects हैं और वो नहीं दिए गए आपको तो आपने उनको ignore कर देना है. इसके example देखते हैं कि government is taking action against all the corrupt officers in the country. The gross GDP of the country is improved. A. Statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is its effect. B. Statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is effects. Both statements are independent causes. Both statements are effect of independent causes. Both statements are effects of the common cause. In the above example, we see that statement 1 mention about the action against corrupt officer and statement 2 जो है वो हमें GDP के बारे में बता रही है. We know that broader sense के अंदर actions against the corrupt officer का कोई significant impact नहीं होता GDP of the country पे. Actions against corruption is a positive step, but कोई GDP enhance करने का parameter नहीं है. Thus, taking action against all the corrupt officers may have a different cause. GDP growth can be effect of an other cause. इसलिए we say that both statement 1 and 2 are effects of independent causes. So D is the correct option.